Abula's hearty caldo de res. A delicious Mexican main course recipe. This recipe serves 6 servings. Preparation takes about 25 minutes. And cooking takes around 2 hours 30 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 2 pounds beef shank, 1 pound beef short ribs, 1 large white onion, 1 head garlic, 12 to 14 cups water, 2 tablespoons salt, 2 ears corn on the cob, 3 large carrots, 2 pieces chayote squash, 3 medium potatoes. Step 1. In a very large stock pot, at least 8 to 10 quarts, add the beef shank, short ribs, halved onion, and the head of garlic. Step 2. Pour in the water until the meat is submerged by several inches. Bring the pot to a rolling boil over high heat. Step 3. As the water boils, a grey foam, impurities, will rise to the surface. Use a fine mesh skimmer or a large spoon to carefully remove and discard all this foam to ensure a clear broth. Step 4. Once the broth is clear, add the salt. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pot partially, and simmer gently for about 1.5 to 2 hours, or until the beef is tender and starting to pull away from the bone. Step 5. Remove the softened onion and the garlic head from the broth and discard them. They have fulfilled their flavoring mission. Step 6. Add the corn rounds and the carrots to the pot. These take the longest to cook. Simmer for 10 minutes. Step 7. Add the potatoes and the chayote veggies. Continue to simmer for another 10 to 12 minutes. Step 8. Carefully place the cabbage veggies and the zucchini rounds into the pot. Submerge the bunch of cilantro into the liquid as well. Step 9. Simmer for a final 10 to 15 minutes until all vegetables are fork tender but not falling apart. The zucchini and cabbage should be soft but still hold their shape. Step 10. Taste the broth one last time. Adjust the salt levels if necessary. The broth should be deeply savory and rich. Step 11. To serve, place a piece of beef and a variety of vegetables in each large bowl. Lay a generous amount of hot broth over the top. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.